Once upon a time, in a peaceful Greek village, there lived an old man with 4 sons. Though strong and capable, the brothers were always quarreling. The father, wise and loving, feared what would happen when he was gone. Day after day, the brothers argued over the smallest things: who was the strongest, who deserved more, who was right. Their father watched in silence, knowing mere words wouldn't change their ways. One evening, as he sat by the fire, an idea struck him. He reached for a bundle of sticks and called his sons together. He handed them the bundle of sticks and said, "Try to break this in half." One by one, the brothers tried, but no matter how hard they pushed, twisted, or strained, the bundle remained unbroken. Then, their father untied the bundle and gave each of them a single stick. "Now try," he said. The brothers snapped the sticks easily. "Do you see?" their father said. "Alone, you can be broken with ease. But together, no one can defeat you. If you stand united, you will always be strong." The brothers looked at one another, realizing how foolish they had been. From that day on, they worked together, supporting each other through every challenge. Their father's lesson stayed with them for the rest of their lives. They had learned the greatest truth of all: strength is not in might, but in unity. And so, dear listener, remember this lesson: when we stand together, we cannot be broken. Share this story with someone who needs to hear it today. Please like and subscribe for more wisdom.